Welcome back to Happy Place Cooking. Today I am making cheeseburger macaroni soup. I'm going to start by adding a 1-pound pack of ground beef to my pan. I'm going to get that all crumbled up and I'm going to make sure it browns. Just want it nice and crumbled. Don't want big giant chunks. I'm gonna add a little bit of spices to this. I'm gonna start with a little bit of onion powder. I'm gonna do about a tablespoon. And then I'm gonna grab some black pepper and just gonna kind of add that to taste. I would say it's approximately a fourth to a half a teaspoon, something like that. Now I'm gonna let this burger brown up nicely. Make sure it's good and crumbled, as I said. This is a super easy dish. Now I'm gonna add 4 cups of beef broth straight to my pan. Bring that up to a boil and add a full pack of elbow macaroni noodles. Stir that up. Gonna bring that back up to a boil and let those noodles get about kind of an al dente. Then I'll add 1 cup of milk. And then I'm gonna add in about a cup of shredded cheese. I'm using a mac and cheese flavored cheese. It's about half a packet. You can put more or less. Stir that all up. Just want to make sure this gets nice and melted. I'm gonna be using bread bowls today. You could serve this in a regular bowl if you wish. Top with a little more shredded cheese and add a little bit of bacon bits to it just to spruce it up just a little bit more. This turned out absolutely delicious and the bread bowl complemented it so well. This was a nice one-pot meal, very easy to do. Hope you'll give it a try. Thanks so much for watching. Happy eating!